What is the formula to convert local time to GMT time?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to tackle an important subject that often comes up when dealing with time zones. How do we convert local time to GMT time? Don't worry if this sounds complex right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the process.
What is GMT time?
To start, let's understand what GMT time is. GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. Historically, it was the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London, which was adopted as the world's time standard. Today, GMT is often used informally to refer to Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, which is considered the modern replacement for GMT.
Understanding time zones.
Time zones are regions of the Earth that have the same standard time. They are defined by the difference in hours and minutes from Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. To convert local time to GMT, we need to know our local time zone's difference from GMT or UTC.
Converting local time to GMT.
Here is the step-by-step process to convert local time to GMT. 1. Identify the UTC offset of your local time zone. This can be positive if you are to the east of Greenwich, London, or negative if you are to the west. 2. Apply this offset to your local time. If your local time zone is ahead of GMT, positive offset, subtract the difference. If your time zone is behind GMT, negative offset, add the difference. Let's take an example. If you are in Eastern Standard Time, EST, your UTC offset is -5 hours. So, if it's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to convert this to GMT, you add 5 hours, resulting in 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. That's it. You now know how to convert your local time to GMT. Always remember to check the current UTC offset for your local time zone, as some locations observe daylight saving time and may adjust their clocks during part of the year. Having the ability to convert local time to GMT is a handy skill, especially in our increasingly interconnected global community. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.